Good morning, student. Myself Santosh Kumar Srivastava. Today we will study about prism. अब what is prism? Prism is a homogeneous and transparent medium in which two reflecting surface inclined with an angle. A prism is a homogeneous and transparent medium in which two reflecting surface inclined with an angle. A prism consists two triangular surface which are parallel to each other. Here you can see AED and BEFC are the triangular surface which are parallel to each other, and three rectangle surface A, E, B, F and E, D, C, F 1, 2, and third is A, B, C, D, three rectangular surface. When a light ray travel through a prism, let a light ray PQ incident at a refracting surface at a point Q of refracting surface A, B of the prism. Then after refraction, it bends towards the normal and goes along QR direction. If we draw the normal at incident point Q and QE, then incident ray PQ for incident angle I and refracted angle R with the normal NQE. After emerging from second surface of the prism, the light ray goes far away from the normal which is drawn at incident point R and dash RE and goes along RS direction. If we produce incident ray PQ forward and emerging ray RS backward, they meet together at a point D and form an angle between them which is called deviation angle. It is denoted as delta. The emerging ray RS also form incident angle I dash with the normal NRE and refracting angle R dash with the normal NRE. The deviation angle always depend upon incident angle which is formed by incident ray with the normal NQE. A. As B as when incident angle increase, first of all the deviation angle is decreased. And one time for a very special incident angle, it decrease minimum. This minimum deviation angle is called minimum deviation angle, which is denoted by delta m. Which is denoted by delta m. If we draw the graph, we take deviation angle on x-axis and incident angle on y-axis. Here you can see when incident angle increase, when incident angle increase, when incident angle increase, first of all deviation angle decrease, and a very special incident angle it decrease minimum. It decrease minimum, that after it increase also. So a certain special incident angle, when the deviation is minimum, then after the deviation angle formed between the incident ray PQ and emerging ray RS is called minimum deviation angle. Is called minimum deviation. You know that when a white light ray pass through the prism, then it disperses in 7 colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. This combination also known as Vibgyor. Vibgyor. And this phenomena of light, this phenomena of prism is called dispersion of light. Dispersion of light through prism. And the light ray which are found in group after dispersing, this light ray, this bundle of light ray is known as spectrum. Spectrum. So, what is prism? Prism is a transparent medium, transparent and homogeneous medium in which two reflecting surface inclined with an angle. This angle is known as prism angle. Prism angle. And prism consists of triangular surface which are parallel to each other and 3 rectangular surface. When a light ray incident at point Q of refracting surface AB of the prism, then it refracted and bent towards the normal NQE and after emerging from second surface it goes along RS direction after bending forward the normal and dash are E. If we produce incident ray PQ forward and emerging ray RS backward, then we see that they meet together at a point D and form an angle which is known as deviation angle. This deviation angle is depend on incident angle as when incident angle increase, then the deviation angle first decrease, and one time it decrease its minimum value, and for special or certain incident angle this the value of deviation angle is minimum, so that this is called minimum deviation angle. Minimum deviation angle. If the refractive index of the prism, if the refractive index of the prism is nu and prism angle is A, so according to Snell law, the refractive index of the prism is equal to sin delta m plus A by 2 upon sin A by 2, where delta m is the minimum deviation angle and A is the prism angle, and this is the relation between refractive angle, refractive index and minimum deviation angle and prism angle of the prism.